Fossil fuel subsidies distort markets by artificially lowering the price to produce, buy and use fossil fuels. This not only harms the environment, it's a barrier to the uptake of clean and more efficient technologies.
For our planet to thrive and for future generations to inherit from us communities that are livable, we need to address the climate crisis. If we are to have any chance of limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees above pre-industrial levels, we must cut global emissions in half by 2030. That's only 9 years away. And right now, one of the most substantial roadblocks in the way of cutting emissions is fossil fuel subsidies.
Subsidies are a trade issue. Trade rules can be a vehicle for driving action on climate change. The COVID-19 economic recovery must support a low emissions and climate resilient future.
Right now, there are some countries spending more on fossil fuel subsidies than they are on their health and education systems. We simply cannot allow that to continue.
The case for using trade rules to address fossil fuel subsidies is compelling, and some countries, including New Zealand, are already showing the way forward. New Zealand is seeking to renew a fossil fuel subsidy reform statement at the World Trade Organization Ministerial Conference later this year, and we will be encouraging other countries to join us. We're also working hard as chair of APEC this year to progress fossil fuel subsidy reform.
Our intention is to increase transparency of existing subsidies and build knowledge and capacity by sharing experiences of subsidy reform.
Now is the time for us to work together to develop trade rules on fossil fuel subsidies.